Today, we're diving into a topic that's just as important as grammar and vocabulary: deepening cultural awareness. Because, let's face it, language isn't just about words, it's about understanding the people and cultures behind them. So, what does it mean to deepen your cultural awareness? It's about going beyond the textbook and immersing yourself in the traditions, values, and social norms of the communities that speak the language you're learning. Think of it as unlocking the soul of the language. One of the best ways to do this is by engaging with cultural content. Read literature, whether it's classic novels, modern poetry, or even comic books. Watch films and TV shows that reflect everyday life, history, or folklore. Listen to music that tells stories or captures the spirit of the culture. These aren't just fun activities, they're windows into the heart of the language. Cultural awareness also means understanding the little things, like idioms, humor, and etiquette. For example, did you know that in Japan it's polite to slurp your noodles, but in some other cultures that might be considered rude? These nuances matter because they show respect and help you connect with people on a deeper level. Another way to deepen your cultural awareness is by participating in cultural events. Attend festivals, try traditional dances, or cook authentic dishes. These experiences not only teach you about the culture, but also create lasting memories that make the language come alive. And if you can, travel. There's no better way to immerse yourself in a culture than by being there. Talk to locals, explore historical sites, and embrace the everyday rhythms of life. Even if you can't travel, you can still connect with native speakers online or join local cultural groups in your area. Finally, keep a journal of your cultural discoveries. Write down new idioms, interesting traditions, or even your reflections on a film or book. This is not only reinforcing your learning, but also helps you appreciate how much you've grown. Remember, language learning isn't just about speaking fluently, it's about understanding and connecting with the world. So, go out there, explore, and let culture be your guide.